wondered what would happen if you gave a dog some warhead spray. And it's not even extreme, it's super sour. The extreme ones are there. But I have my little test dog. He's so adorable. Now I'm going to spray some on my hand, so it's not ultimately strong as it. The super isn't as strong as it is, but I'll spray some on my hand, let it lick it. So, I'll just chuck her on the desk here, make some room. Give me a second. Okay, up we go. Okay, you good girl. So yeah. I don't know how I'm going to do this. Put my phone down for a second. Not much, but it's there. Yeah. It's in there. It's in there. I think she thinks it's a bit sour. Yep. Still sticking her tongue out. She's got her claws out. You okay? Well, she's a good little test dog. I love her to bits. So yeah, say bye.